What happened, princess? Oh, that's why you're upset. They cut it so short. She's like, I don't have my rope to climb up anymore. No wonder you looked like you were pouting when I was cutting his hair. Look at this. The struggle is real. I asked her what she thought of Daddy's new haircut, and she looked like she was gonna cry. I felt so bad. Now I understand why. Are you okay, princess? You look nervous. You guys doing laundry? Our broken washing machine. They still won't bring one. That's so sad.
No, this button has to be reset.
And that'll make it go up to power to make it reach enough power to spin wash. So all we gotta do is pop the buttons out. So we gotta figure out how to get that panel off. So we can.
You have to put the thing in.
The new hair. I've got green stripes in my hair. Alrighty, have a great day, you guys.